Game yafanda khona kanjani?
Hayi game yona imosheke from first half. Ngoba asikwazi ukuthi singadlala ngama midfielder singana striker ngaba sisemuva ngoba le team ishaya amagoli amathathu. So nathi befanele sifake i-striker noma sifaka nje 2 i-striker ukuthi khona ukushaya amagoli. Igame uyibalansa kanjani? Awukwazi ukuthi ungashaya amagoli ngama midfielder.
So with that, so while usase lapho kulela point, what do you think the coach was trying to do by playing a false number 9 instead of an out and out striker?
Hayi nama ngiunderstand lento kade bayenza ngoba yithi sifuna amagoli kodwa yithi esikhomba ukuthi siya defender ngoba once mawufaka ama midfielder amaningi labantu kade abafaka badlala ibhola elifanayo ufaka uTito ufaka uMbule bonke labantu baya create abakori abakwazi ukushuta. So how come ukuthi ungafaka abantu abanjalo ufuna amagoli amathathu ngoba leke mbifanga besiwine first half sashaya amagoli noma amabili first half or amathathu mase buyashaya igoli number 4 labantu sesibaphumile.
Yes, so I'm looking at the opposition, Limpopo. What is it that you think they did right? Like, do you think their tactics won them the game? Do you think they were fair ngendlela abadlala ngayo today?
Yona iplay yabo ayikho fair. Ngoba labantu babona igame ngathi seyashisa, bayalala, bapholisa igame. Igame mase ishisa, mase atheka kakhulu bayalala, bapholisa igame. Mase ufaka isikhathi sakhona, kufaka 5 minutes at the time yakhona. Labantu bamosha isikhathi. Umuntu uvela ahlale phansi, ugoalkeeper akathindwanga, uvela ahlale phansi angathindwanga. Kodwa o-ref bakhona bafaka 5 minutes. Shoni ngamanye amagama, mawudlala ama team anjalo. Zama ukufaka i-striker, win igame in time. Ngoba i-type of play yabo labantu badlala i-delayed football. So shaya amagoli abemaningi. Mawazovula ukuthi bafuna ukuyatheka ushaya igoli number 4. Igame sephelile.
Thank you, Mr. MK. So, do you think the Orlando Pirates management or tactical team did their job in terms of making sure that they calm their players down, knowing what is it that Limpopo is gonna come and do in terms of telling the players to remain composed because of we saw Muremi falling into their trap whereby actually sekathola red card.
Yeah, angithi uyazi mawuthana ama team afana lawa. Into abayifuna ukulwa ngoba bayazi ukuthi bona bahamba phambili ngamagoli. So njoba hamba phambili ngamagoli bazofuna ukulwa mawulwa nabo nawe uthola icard nawe uyakhosteka ngoba kuze sokuphumile icard ngapha nangapha nasi sesiyashota abantu abafana labo wena phuma kubo noma ngakuphusha nje muyeke ngoba ike yenzeka futhi dlana le team yase Algeria sibashayile baphinde bashaya thina ukuthi nasibheno futhi sifayinwe ngekhefu. So abantu abanjalo wena phuma kubo wena focus egrounding.
Thank you, Mr. MK. So my last question to you, looking at today's game, man of the match yakho bongayinika bani?
Man of the match yami benganika Police. Yeah, Police or nomthatshela kodwa uwa Police. Yayigaranda ngoba uwenzile konke uzamile ukuthi nje izinto azibuya zingafani kwesinye isikhathi uba nelaki kwesinye isikhathi ube nebad luck kodwa umfana yena uzamile ngoba njoba ashaya igoli ukuthi igoli number 3 ukuthi sikhona ukuthi siye kuma penalty usevile ngoba isikhathi besingasenathemba kodwa wabuyisa ithemba. So ama penalty i-win and lose injalo vele iloto lento leyo angeke solo umuntu ogejile asimsolo umbutuma ngoba lento yenzeka no Ronaldo bayageja. So angeke siblame umfana wonke umuntu uyayenza into eso ngoba usuka sone pressure inkinga iba lapho kakhulu. So angeke simsolo umfana abafana nakanje sibashayila izandla kodwa ucoach akafunda ukufaka i-striker badlala ama game akayeke unta ubeka i-striker ebenchini aloko afaka nama defender akayeke le ngoba uzosikhosta.
Coach, we hope uzwile Mr. MK uyakhala lana bafethu. This is PSL Pulse bafethu Premier Soccer League Pulse. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Signing out. Danko.